American astronaut Mark Vande Hei returned to Earth today from the International Space Station, along with two fellow Russian cosmonauts. He was in space for 355 straight days, longer than any American yet. Life on the space station has been the center of attention because of U.S.-Russia tensions. But tomorrow, the focus will return to private efforts. Blue Origin, the rocket company founded by Jeff Bezos, will launch its latest human flight in the morning. Bezos' plans have been both hailed and sometimes derided as simply fostering space tourism for the uber-wealthy. Tomorrow's launch includes a business professor and entrepreneur who is about to make history himself. Science correspondent Miles O'Brien has the story.
Whoa. Jim Kitchen is a man on a mission. The professor of entrepreneurship will be one of 6 passengers on Jeff Bezos' space travel venture, Blue Origin. As anyone can, Kitchen applied on Blue Origin's website several times to take part in the launch.
Copy and paste, click. And, a dozen times, maybe more. And then finally, about 3 months ago, I actually heard from them and they said, hey, you're on the next launch if you want to be. And I was like, yes, I'm in.
It's a lifelong dream coming true.
I went to college, and instead of being an astronaut, I actually became an entrepreneur promoting low Earth orbit space trips. And I just wanted to sell enough so that I could go to space myself.
Kitchen's itch to explore things unknown led him to start a travel business, allowing him to see the world. Now he plans to become the only person in history to have traveled to all 193 countries and beyond. The New Shepard rocket, which Kitchen will ride in, travels just past the Kármán line, the boundary between Earth's atmosphere and outer space. Kitchen won't say how much he's paying for the ride, and Blue Origin is tight-lipped as well. But in 2018, Reuters reported seats open to the public would sell for around $200,000.
My parents were public school teachers, so I'm not one of these people that's just going to space and, forking out. This is my hard-earned money. This has been a lifelong goal for me.
Command engine start. 2, 1.
This is Blue Origin's 4th passenger flight. In October, William Shatner caught a free ride, becoming the oldest person ever to go to space. These suborbital hops may be short visits to the edge of space, but Bezos is thinking big. He sees them as an early step toward colonizing space. Kitchen is a believer.
The dream is still alive. Push through the boundaries and, make it happen. I'm an entrepreneurship professor. Those are the lessons of this launch that I want to take back into my classroom.
To prepare for the trip, Kitchen has experienced what less and more forces of gravity feel like.
5, you're at 6G.
Kitchen is only allowed to bring a 3-pound bag of mementos. He plans to carry sunflower seeds to plant when he gets home, and stickers.
This one is only for my students. My professor went to space, and all I got was this lousy sticker.
But like any astronaut worth his salt, he aims to push the envelope.
North Carolina, 2 of their icons, Michael Jordan, Dean Smith. We're going to get the other coaches to sign this. Got to get permission to get this one on because it's going to overweight my bag.
The ride will last all of 11 minutes. Kitchen says he won't waste a second.
So I plan on just looking out that window and taking in the curvature of the Earth, the big, beautiful blue ball called Earth, the blackness of the universe. And then here's what's going to be fun. I'm going to flip over and look at it upside down. That's my plan.
There we go, the drogues lifting out the main parachutes.
For the PBS NewsHour, I'm Miles O'Brien, still here on planet Earth.